Today we are going to discuss about strings in Python. Let us know first what is a string. A collection of letters or alphabets in a sequence is called a string. So words forming a sentence or the letters forming a word comes under string. So here we have two examples like A equals to A, where A is an identifier and Vicent is a string, and B is equals to gang, board, com. So here the spaces are also considered as a string. So what we are going to observe here, so here we are seeing the collection of letters forming a word comes under string. So now we are going here as a reference to call Vicent. As like a list tuple, a string can also be called using its index. The first letter starts with 0 and the last letter ends with the sequence number n. So let us take Vicent and try to call first index and the last index. So here I know A of 0 equals to B. So when I am calling A of 0, I am getting B. That means B, capital B, is at the index of 0th position. Coming to last letter, you don't know how to call the last letter because you don't know the index of the last letter, but you want to print the last letter. Then what will happen? You need to call it by its negative indexing. So where the negative indexing will start from -1 and go on till it reaches the starting character. So you can use negative indexing for printing the words or the letters from the back side, that means from the last to front. Here I am calling A of -1. So what is happening here? I am getting the last letter T. Let us take other functionalities, other methods of a string. So as string is also an object, we have certain methods which are useful for converting a string into other forms. So here I have first method like a.upper of. So upper is a method which will convert all the characters in the string to capital letters. So here this is the given string and this is the converted string. So BESANT is the given string and it is converted to capital BESANT, Vicent. Then we have another method called lower, a.lower. So lower method will convert the entire word to lower letters. So this is the given word and now after converting we got all letters in small case. So then we have other functions like split, find, replace. Let us see what they will do. So B is a string which consists of 3 words, gang, board, com. So what am I gonna do? I am gonna split it using the space, the spaces between the sentence. So what gonna do now? When I use B dot split, then it will give a list. So it will divide the words inside a string and convert into a list. So where the words are in the quotations separated by commas. Then for what purpose we will use this? So we will use split in order to get and access individual word in a string. So now you can call the first word by let us take like C equals to B dot split off. Then what I am going to do? I want to get first word. Then you can simply use C of 0, which is equal to gang. Okay, so by this way you can access individual word from a string. Then we have find. So in order to check whether certain word is there or not in a string, we can use find. So it will give you the position where the word starts from. So B dot find of gang, it will give you the position or index 0. That means the gang starts from the 0th position and continues. Then in certain logs or places we required a replacement of the existing word, something like this need to convert it to that or something like that. Then what you will do, you can't go everywhere and you can change. Like in a notepad we have here a replace function, replace method. So what we do, b dot replace of com comma in. Now whatever the word in the place of com will be replaced with in, so when I print b, when I do print b, okay, I will get this one, gang board in. So the word which is in place of com is now replaced with in. So you can replace the words using this format. It requires two indexes, that is, one is for the word which need to be replaced and the word which is to be replaced. So make sure that you use all the methods in all the required places and you do with list comprehensions. So for more queries and clarifications, come and join in Bison Technologies or reach me through online on gangboard.com.